Hello everyone. Uh, Already we have discussed about first and second question, most repeated questions in our financial statement analysis from MBA Sim 1. So today we are going to do revision for third question is nothing but explain accounting concepts. Dear students, here in this accounting concepts, mostly he will ask individual concepts. It's not like that at a time they will the question. You will get this kind of question in long answer also, but in short answers I will ask you like money measurement concept, going concern concept, or else dual aspect concept. And last time, if you check the previous year question paper, principle of conservatism concept. Like this, they will ask you questions. So please listen the topic carefully and try to write each and every concept. Okay. So compulsory short answer any one of the concept he will ask. If in there is chance to get in long answer also. Okay, so explain what is accounting concepts, please. These are basic assumptions and principles that guide preparation. Assumptions and principles, accounting concepts is nothing but it is an assumption and the principles of accounting. Okay, assumptions and principles of accounting that guide, that will guide in what, in which way it will guide in preparation of accounting records and financial statements. Okay, once again, these are basic assumptions and principles that guide of preparation of accounting records and financial statements. Okay, in this concepts are the first concept, business entity concept. Business entity concept means, for example, owner withdraws money from bank for his personal use. So we will mention it as a drawings account only in business entity concept. Owner is separate, business is separate. Yes, so that's what we will call it as a business entity concept. Second one, money measurement concept. Each and every transactions which is related to the money, that kind of transactions mostly we will transaction records, we will record in accounts, right? So that's what we will call it as a money measurement concept. And going concern concept, here going concern concept means yearly accounting process also we have discussed, right? After completion of a certain period, again the same process we will follow in upcoming years, like that, it's a business it sorry, excuse me, business it is a going concern concept. And accounting period concept, already we have discussed, right? For some accounting companies will, according to their standards, according to their rules and regulations, they will follow certain accounting periods, right? That we will call that the accounting period concept. Okay, up to April, and after April, from March to again up to April, like this they will, period of cycle will be there for their accounts. We will call it as accounting period of concept. Accounting process, or in, you can see this accounting period concept in accounting process also. How identifying the transactions, is that clear? Generalizing the general entries, and after that what, posting in ledger and preparing trial balance and adjustments, realizing the adjustments, and after that the financial statements, preparing the final accounts, and after that the closing accounts, and again identifying transaction. It is a process, it is an accounting period from identifying transactions to the end closing the statements. Yes or no? This is the one accounting period. Again the accounting period start from identifying transactions, so what, so on. So accounting period concept, and after that cost concept. Each and everything is based on the cost only, right? So it is a basically cost concept, dual aspect concept. Mostly to involvement of two categories will be here, right? So that's what we will call as a dual aspect concept, matching concept. Matching concept means incomes is equal to expenses. Matching concept. Revenue recognition concept. Revenue recognition concept means, for example, person sold a goods on credit for B, so he will not wait until or unless that B will repay all amount, then only he's going to record the transactions. No, immediate he will record, because it is a revenue related concept, right? So he got revenue, whether it is he sold goods for credit base or else cash basis, he will record it. Okay, immediate he will record. It is completely known as the revenue recognition concept. We will recognize, we are going to get from this. And consistency concept. Consistency, it should be consistency. For example, in a particular company, they are following depreciation straight line method. Next upcoming year also they will follow straight line method, and upcoming year straight line method. So it should be consistency. Whatever the rules principles they are following in a particular organization, in accounting, they have to be consistent. They have to not jump in immediate in another type of rules. So there should be a consistency. That's what we will call it as a consistency concept. Please take screenshot individually. I will individual topic I will explain once again. Please take screenshot of this. Here again, these are the basic assumptions and principles that guide preparation of accounting records and financial statements. First one, business entity concept. Business separate from owner, we call it as a business entity concept. And second one, money measurement concept. Records only monetary transactions. Money measurement concept. And going concern concept. Business will continue. Okay, accounting period concept means what, life into accounting years. Conservatism concept anticipates losses, and what is this, not profits. I will give you example of this. Cost control. Cost control means record assets and purchase cost. That purchase cost. Dual aspect concept. Every transactions, what happened, as two effects. Just now I said matching concept. Match expenses with revenue. Revenue recognition concept. Record income when earned. And consistency concept, follow same accounting methods, is known as the consistency concepts. So please, dear students, try to prepare very good answer for this in a structured manner. And conservatism concept, I will give you example. Conservatism concept is like bad debts. For example, you have recovered from a debtor that rupees 90,000. He usually supposed to pay you 95,000. Example. Okay, he have to usually pay, have to pay 95,000, but he paid how much? 90,000 only. Remaining 5,000 rupees comes under the bad debts. So we will enter in provision for bad doubtful debts. Okay, so losses. First we will recognize the losses and we will enter that, but furtherly the upcoming gains that we will not enter. Okay, now so we will mention particularly about the losses here. This is one of the principle of conservatism concept. We can call prepare answer for it. It is very important.